Hello my friends, in this video I will be making this. This template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. And now let me show you what's going on here. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library and Templates and folder where you extracted the file. And then just drag and drop abstract background number 9 and connect to media out. Wait few seconds to render, and this is what you will get. Now ungroup and let me show you now what's going on here. I did it, these lines I made so they stack on top each other. As you can see here, this line is on top of this one, and this line is on top of this one, and so on and so on. When you go down, you will get the rectangle, you will get the background is for the gradient, small shadow. You can adjust this shadow if you want, and then all this go to inside the merge, and on top of everything I made the face noise. It's fairly simple, and all the way to the background. This one, the last one, is the background, and all the way to the media out. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.